Good morning, student. This is class 8th social science period, and we are studying geography. In geography, we are reading the chapter number 6, human resources. In human resources, we have read about what is human resources, distribution of population, density of population, and population change. Now today the last topic of this chapter is population composition. Okay, what is population composition? First we will read here कि relative ratio of people of different age group and that of male and female show the composition of population of a country. Means in any country there are two type of the peoples are living, male and female. So the ratio of the male and female, how many males and how many females are living in the particular place, that is called the composition of population. You mean to say the population of composition means the number or the ratio of male and female in a country is called the composition of population. The composition of population signify affect the economic growth of country. Of the composition, the number of male and female, the ratio of male and female, the ratio of the male and female on the basis of their age. This is very significant. This is important for, and it is affect the economic condition, economic growth of the country. Both in Bangladesh, here we are taking the two example, two countries, Japan and Bangladesh are equally densely populated. Means the population of Japan and Bangladesh are equal, near about the same population they have. But problem is this: in Japan is a developed nation while Bangladesh is a developing nation. Okay, Japan and Bangladesh have the near about same population density of population, but Japan is developed and Bangladesh is developing country. Let's try to understand reason for this. Why Japan, if both the countries have the same density of the population, so why Japan is developed and why the Bangladesh is developing country? Let's see here. Population can be divided into the main age group. Okay, we can divide the population in the term of age. Below 15 years, first the number of peoples, those age are below 15 years. Then second, 15 to 65 years, the people, the population of the people, those are from the age of 15 to 65 and above 65 years. Means this is the category of the distribution of the population on the basis of their age. People who have below 15 years or above 65 years, they have do no any activity in the growth of the economic condition of the country, because below the 15 years the government is not authorized the people to do the work, and after the 65 the people are restricted, mean to say they are unable to do the work. That's why these age below 15 and above 16, they are not do any type of the productive work. A population in the group age between 15 to 65, they are doing the work, they are helping the country in the development. Okay, so this is very important to the country have the maximum quantity of the people, those are in the age of 15 to 65. Up in the following pyramid you have seen Kenya, Japan and India. There is a pyramid, but the population pyramid, the three countries are here, Kenya, Japan and India. Population pyramid show the Kenya a very higher percentage of population are below 15 years, and Japan has the higher population above 65 years. Okay, up as you know in the Kenya there are only the number of people those age are below the 15 years. So that's why they are not able to do the any social work or any economical work, because of the after the age of 18 the boys, the girls or people are eligible to do the any work. The government of any countries authorized to the person to do the work after the age of 18. Below the 18 you are a child, you are not become adult. That's why you doesn't do any work. So Kenya have the population especially more than below than 15 years. That's why they do not do any type of the economic work. That's why the condition of Kenya is very poor. A population pyramid show the ratio of the people below 15 years or between 50 to 65 years. The ratio of people above 65 years is even lesser. So the mean that one hand there is a good economic productivity, and year 1 there is a less number of dependents. So the explained is a good economic growth India over the last 15-20 years. Large number of children in India indicate a better future, because when the children grow into adult, they will further the economic growth of nation. Up in our country, in India, after 15-20 years, the number of people from the age of 15 to 65 is maximum in number. That's why India is increasing, India is developing very fast speed. Up Japan, in this pyramid, Japan show less number of people who will depend on the economic productive group age. Explain Japan developing nation, but number of children is warning single for Japan. As in terms of Japan, Japan is a developed country, but number of people those age are above 65 is more than in the young boys, because of Japan government make the rule. According to that rule, any person only give the birth of single babies. Every person has a single child. That's why the number of the young children are slowly and slowly go reduce in Japan. That's why in the future Japan will be face a very big problem for the economical persons, because the persons of the Japan either below 50 or above 65. That's very difficult for the Japan in future. If the birth rate and death rate in a country are constantly high, then population pyramid will show broad base. See population pyramid of Kenya. As one move to the higher age group, its pyramid will rapidly narrow toward the top. Okay. If the birth rate and death rate are equal, if birth rate and death rate both high, then the pyramid show the broad base will be broad. If the same moves the higher groups, the pyramid rapidly narrow. That means that lesser number of children can become adult and the number of old people is limited. Such a country is generally underdeveloped. If the birth rate is higher and the death rate is low in a country, then a population pyramid will not narrow rapidly toward the top. Such country will have the large number of adults and hence a strong workforce. In most of the developed countries, the birth rate is low, as in Japan, France, UK. So population pyramid will be narrow at base and broaden on the adult section. So there are more old person in developed countries. The educated, skilled and ambitious adult are an asset for country, and they form the economically active population. So same way, this is the lesson is completed. Okay, this is the population composition. And they said the population composition means the population of ratio of male and female in any place is called the population composition. Now here is the exercise is given here. Movement of people from one place to another is called migration. Okay, this is the correct answer. Number of females per 1,000 males is known as sex ratio. Okay, number of females called sex ratio. Number of person per square kilometer known as population density of population. A specially designed diagram to study the age and sex composition is called age-sex pyramid. True, false? Southern hemisphere has more population than northern. False, because of in northern hemisphere there is a more population. Population of the India increase mainly because of immigration. True, because of from the other immigration means when the peoples are coming from any place, it's called immigration, and if they are going through, called immigration. The number of people below 15. So for today I will send the homework, this one. Okay.